So you have to
Oo.
feeling ko man sir amo na honestly ang dapat man nga tagaan atensyon sa mga NBDB no, mga
Uh,
bala
ano mo genre? Miss V, do you write children's fiction or children's literature?
wala ko pa gina-point na pin down sir, pero I'm really into creative nonfiction lately.
Ay, that's nice, no? That's a new, yung new area sa Subong, no? Sa una,
Oo,
tawag nila essay lang po, no?
essay.
Subong
Basta
may
oo.
CNF na. Oo. Subong may CNF na. Actually, I actually enjoy reading CNF, no? Na namian kita ko magbasa sa CNF. Ako naman kasi I cannot detach myself from my fiction
Oh, it
thinking na
takes
naiwatan ako. Usually, ang ako, kung mag-attempt ako magsulat ng CNF, doon nagiging fiction, doon hindi naman pati ang ginasulat.
speaking of genre, sir, for those nga mga nag-aspire maging writer, do you recommend nga ma-focus lang gid sa one genre or they can experiment
No,
multiple genres? Ano?
no. They can always experiment. But a good place to start would be poetry, no? A good place to start would be attempt writing poetry and reading poetry. Starting point for us. Ginambal ko yun because not because it's difficult to write poetry, but because when you acquire the skills, when you are good in the skills in writing poetry, kung makuha mo na ng tanan na conventions, mahapos ang transition towards fiction and towards non-fiction. Mahapos ang transition. So, parang mas nagiging imagistic dayon ang writing mo kung nag-start as poetry because remember poetry is painting with words. No? You're very dependent on metaphors, you're very dependent on imagery. And there's also the consideration that poetry is usually very brief. So there's a certain level of restraint poetry, no, na you also want to acquire in your writing. So when you start with poetry, you eventually move, say, to drama or fiction or non-fiction or whatever. Kag may ara ka na sinasang armas, may armas ka na nga nakuha mo sa poetry, you tend to be able to write more fluidly, no, in the other genres.